Ang dalawang lalaking hindi makakalimutan ng isang babae sa buhay niya. A woman will never forget two men in her life. Yung isa, sobra niyang minahal yung lalaking yun at binigay niya sa kanya yung lahat. Lahat. Everything for him. Even turning away from the world just for him. Only for him to break her heart. Itong lalaking to, sinaktan siya, dinurog at winasak yung puso niya. Eventually, iniwanan siya ng napakalalim na sugat. He left her with scars. Eto na, yung pangalawa, this is the guy who came after that guy. Yung pangalawang lalaki is the one who came after. After siyang iniwanan, after siyang sinaktan, heto na ngayon. Etong lalaking to, she wiped away the tears, the pain, inakay siya, hinawakan yung kamay niya. Binigay sa kanya lahat. Gave her love and happiness all the way. Although, alam naman natin na wala namang ibang maghihil sa kanya, kundi sarili niya, malaki po yung naging role ng lalaking ito para matanggap ni babae yung mga nangyari sa kanya, makapag-move on, and eventually heal herself. Itong dalawang lalaking ito sa buhay ng isang babae will both remain unforgettable for her. Yung isa, sa sakit, sa pain. Yung isa naman sa pagmamahal and the healing. A woman never forgets or will never forget these two men in her life.